My name is Lauren Child. I am the owner, designer, and gardener behind Flower Child Heirlooms. I am so excited to bring you Garden Like a Flower Child, a course on the practice of gardening. In Module 1, we are going to learn a bit about me, my backstory, and how I went from growing in pots on patios in various apartments to selling market bouquets at pop-ups and consulting with clients. In Module 2, we'll go over all things gardening. So in Gardening 101, we'll cover the basics and beyond, and we'll conjure up a bit of play, because sometimes gardening can be way too serious. And then in Module 3, I'll be sharing design tips, garden layout, and plant placement. In Module 4, I'm going to go over tending and maintaining the garden and intersect that with self-care, tending and maintaining ourselves. They go hand in hand. In the final module, Module 5, it's all about play. We're going to take what we've grown and what we've learned and build a custom arrangement. I'm going to share tips on how to use what you have